was a boy who was a dreamer, and he flew so high and proud in a world full of people out cut his young ass.
Alright guys, now we're at Kvalvika Beach, or on our way to it. It's a little bit of a steep climb. It's raining, so no cinema camera this time. But fuck, it's pretty steep. There, thumbs up or peace sign. So pretty rugged. It's about a 2-hour drive from where we just were. I'll put that on the little screen so you guys know where we were. A little pin as well, might as well. But it's pretty sketchy, so I wouldn't recommend if you don't have like proper gear as well, or shoes for that matter. But oh, we've almost made it down. We've got all the, Jesus Christ, all the packing with us. A bunch of, oh not a bunch of, but a little bit of food, water, sleeping bags, all that nonsense. So should be a-okay, but we'll get down here with 2 hands and I'll show you guys the view. Righto legends, we made it over the ridge over here. This is the fucking view. Something straight out of like Game of Thrones or the Ring movie. Fuck, that's awesome. Alright, so we're gonna go head down that way, set up camp, and we're probably gonna head up this ridge over here. There's a little lake at the top, but no orcas yet, no orcas, so we'll just keep on going. Yeah, let's do it. Alright legends, going down to this campsite and then up the stair ridge, or the fucking ridge. So we've got Andy, so we'll get some photos of him on this beautiful magnificent rock. Righto, we'll see you guys at the bottom. There we go, ladies and gents, we made it to Kvalvika Beach. The weird thing as well is that you are completely alone. There's like 2 other tents besides us. And it's... Fuck, I'm walking alone on this beach. There's no one else out. It's raining a little bit, it's pissing down. But the fucking water has been clear as hell. No waves, just fucking blue and clear. So I'm expecting to see some orcas, and that's like number 1 of the bucket list as well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the other guys saw it in Reina, which is about an hour from here. So we're going over there tomorrow. That will be the last day of hiking as well, presumably. We're hiking down in the morning on the 1st and then we're going home. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm thinking I want to head over that way because I just saw a little waterfall. Go and check that out, and there's a little bridge right through as well. We'll see what that is. After that, it's probably one last feast, a little bit of water, then rest for the morning tomorrow, because we are hiking a fucking fair bit up. So we're going first up that way to the lake and then up to the edge as well. So that will definitely be a challenge and a half. So other than that, there's not really much else to show you guys. But if there's orcas, fuck, the drone's going up, or I'm going in the drink. I don't fucking know. But right, I'll head to the waterfall, little bridge, and after that, I'll show you our little tent setup as well with Andy. So stay tuned. Yeah, righto. This is the waterfall in question. I think there was a little bit bigger one higher up, but I mean, this will do. And the bridge wasn't really a bridge, it was just a bunch of rocks and metal. But I wonder if I can take a drink out of this. That looks fucking fresh. I'm not sure. I've got to take a little sippy. Yeah, that's fresh. That is fresh as hell. Would be nice to know for sure that it's safe to drink, so I could drink a bunch of it. But yeah, otherwise we'll head back campsite and I'll show you guys the setup. All right, legends. I'll see you over there. DIY trash can.
People come to watch you fall. You're out to make a name and a fool out of them all. They'll never understand that boy and his kind. All they comprehend is a fucking dollar sign. So don't stop going south, 'cause they'll let you play your music real damn loud. Don't stop heading south, 'cause they won't understand the words that are pouring from your mouth. Don't stop going south. They won't understand the words that are pouring from your mouth. Don't stop going.
Righto, legends. We decided not to go up to the lake because it's pretty fuck. Yeah, there's too many clouds, so we're not going to be able to see much. So we're hiking up the way we came. It is rugged as hell. And then we're going to rain, orcas, some more trails. So, and I'm going to do a cold plunge as well when I get to the other side. So, got a fair bit of uphill to go. It's pretty much straight, but recommend this beach a fuck ton. And apparently the hut I showed you guys is also from a movie set, so that's sick. And then we met a fellow friend as well, so he's coming with us. Fuck. So I'll see you guys at the top. All right, time for the descent. Going down, just made it over the ridge. It's fucking beauty. Got some nice wind coming over as well, so nice and cool. So it's about yay down that way. So it's sick. Go to Lofoten, go to Kvalvika Beach. That is insane.